Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be explaining you everything about Forex trading and how you can also start Forex trading and make the deposits, as well as how you can start earning in Forex. So watch it till end so that you will not miss any information. So the first question is, what is Forex? So Forex trading, also known as Forex exchange trading. It means that you are selling one currency against another. हिंदी में अगर मैं आपको ये समझाऊं तो इसका मतलब होता है पैसों का लेन देन at international level. So there is a currency pair that is Euro USD. So this means that how much the value of euro in terms of dollars. मतलब एक यूरो का क्या प्राइस है एक डॉलर के अगेंस्ट में. So currently the price of 1 euro is in terms of dollar is 1.7120. That means कि आपको 1.71 dollars देने पड़ेंगे in order to purchase 1 euro. And what is Forex trading in between? If you change one currency with another, the profit, the margin that you gain within this exchange is called foreign exchange, and within this gap, most of the trader earns profit. So now you might be wondering, why do we want to do Forex? There is Indian market that we can do. Then why do we want to go in Forex? Well, Forex market offers several advantages. First, it operates 24 hours and 5 days in a week, which provides ample of opportunities. But as compared to Indian market, we can only trade within a specific time period, that is 9:30 to 3:30. Secondly, the Forex market is the highest liquidity market. I'm not saying that Indian market is not liquid. However, the Forex market is more liquid as compared to Indian market. Because in Forex market, you can see a lot of currency pairs and all of the people in the world are trading in currency markets right now. So that is why the liquidity is quite high in Forex market as compared to Indian market. So third, the Forex market offers a wide range of currency pairs to trade. However, in Indian market, most of us trade only two indices, that is Bank Nifty and Nifty 50. But in Forex market, you can trade a lot of instruments like Euro USD, AUD USD, USD JPY, as well as there is gold, there is silver, and there is crude oil. So these are the commodities that you can trade in Forex market. And the most important part and the major difference between Indian market and Forex market is that Indian market provide very less leverage. In Indian market, brokers like Zerodha only provide 5x leverage. However, in Forex market, there are brokers who can provide you 500x leverage. Can you imagine that? You will get 500x leverage. That means if you have $1,000 in your trading account, you can buy $500,000 worth of currencies by that account. Crazy it is, right? But it comes with a huge risk. So better be careful. By taking this much leverage, you can self-sabotage yourself. Now, let's talk about Forex brokers. Like, in which broker can I open my account? So there are a lot of brokers that you can move forward with. However, there are some brokers that you have to be careful. You have to choose a reputable and reliable broker. When you open any broker's account, the first thing that you have to know is that how to deposit your money. In these brokers' account, you have to deposit your money by transferring. So these brokers provide a lot of options to deposit your money. There is bank transfer, there is crypto deposit, there is PayPal, there is Skrill. So you can choose any of the option. But as you are living in India, so you would be choosing the UPI option or the bank transfer. I personally choose bank transfer. So let me tell you how you can deposit. So first you have to deposit the money in the broker's bank account. You have to take the screenshot of that payment, and after that you have to submit that screenshot as a proof. So these are some basic things that you have to know before depositing your money. The minimum deposit that you can do is 1500 rupees. That is somewhat around $18. So you can start your trading with 1500 rupees in octaves. Now after depositing the money and after opening the broker's account, you have to download the terminal. What I mean by terminal is there are two applications that you can use. There is MT5 and there is MT4. So you can download any one of these applications. I use MT5. So when you download MT5, you have to add your broker's information in your terminal, and after that you can start trading on that terminal. As we have seen in Indian market, we trade generally on the Zerodha platform or any other broker's account. But in Forex market, you have to trade on the terminal itself and you have to execute your orders on the terminal. Now the next question is, should you do live trading or you should be starting with the demo trading? So I personally suggest you to start with the demo trading first if you do not have any prior experience of trading. In MT5, you will be getting an account of $100,000. That is a demo account. You can start trading on that demo account. You can see whether you can place any trade or not. You can see whether your strategy is working or not, or your fundamentals are clear or not. And after that, if you are comfortable with everything, you can start with the real account. So by this, we will be wrapping up our video. Let's do a small recap of this video. So in this video, I have told you about how to do Forex trading, what is Forex trading, in which broker's account you can open your account, and how to download the terminal, as well as how to make the deposits. I wish you a good luck in your trading career. Stay tuned with me because I will be sharing my strategies with you. Those strategies will be profitable and you will be getting a lot of information and knowledge on this channel. Thank you very much.